You can sell your knowledge through a workshop and charge higher for it as you improve it in the next iterations. That's what I learned from episode number 38 of the $1 Million Filipino Freelancer podcast by Neil Reichel, Corina Obrero, and their interview with Shirley Delgado, the ClickUp Queen. And in my reading time today, I read once again the book The Cautious Entrepreneur by John Arana, and I learned from him that in order to sell without selling, you need to pursue education-based marketing. Yes, you need to educate your audience first, blow their minds by demonstration of the benefits of what you're trying to offer, and pre-frame their thinking so that they can see how your solution can also work for them. All right, tap into what's emotionally relevant to them. All right, and for the action step today, I will put my affiliate marketing business roadmap, which is on paper, like literal paper, all right, and put it on ClickUp so that I can start ticking the boxes and work my way through achieving my goal. All right, that's it for today, friends. See you in the next video. Bye.